Okay, I'm back out here again. I picked up a bunch of flat stock at the scrap place, and I think I'm going to finish the webbing out for that tunnel and put the seat braces in. We're going to go ahead and do that, and then I think I'm going to make a plate that bolts on and off, since this car's so low to the ground. If I ever need to service the transmission at all, I'll be able to take the plate off and work it from the inside. Well, I got all the tunnel structure tack welded in there. I'll weld it up now. What's let me do is I'll be able to grind that smooth, and it'll be real easy to lay the sheet metal in and stitch it along in the framework. So tunnel's in, and I'll get this all welded and ground down. Alrighty. Alright, I got it all welded up here, and I'm gonna grind it down now. That part's done. Grind her down, and then got 2 braces to put in for the seats. I got flat stock for that. Once I get the braces in for the seats, then I can actually throw the sheet metal in, and then it'll start looking like something. Well, she's all ground down now. You know, I got 5 or 6 hours in just that tunnel section, so nobody will ever see it. But all I gotta do is put the braces. There's 2 braces that go in each side underneath the seat. You know, I got some flat stock here to make those braces. As soon as I get those 2 braces put in, I'm finally done with that subfloor. I'll do those tomorrow. Get the seats where they'll bolt down, and then I can lay, you know, all the panels on. Like I said, I'm negotiating with myself that far side to make a panel that I can take on and off. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not, but if I do, you know, like this one here, this panel goes on right there. On the other side, that's where all the shift linkage and stuff is. So if I make that unboltable over there, if I get into trouble, I can take it off, and because this thing, you're not going to be able to crawl under it. So I don't know. I might just be overthinking it, but we'll see. Well, if you like it, like, subscribe, or whatever, and check back in as I continue messing around with this thing. Alright, have a good one.